This movie was supposed to release smoothly. It had a certificate, it had a date, and then, suddenly, everything stopped. So why did Jananayagan get postponed, even after clearing censor formalities? This is not a rumor. This is not fan speculation. This is the actual timeline, explained clearly. If you check social media, most people think this happened because of political pressure, or that the CBFC simply hated the film. But those are just theories. The real reason isn't that simple. It is far more technical, and honestly, much more frustrating for the makers. Here is the exact sequence of events. In December, the film goes to the CBFC. The examining committee watches it and comes back with a list. A big list. They reportedly asked for 25 to 27 changes. Did the makers fight it? No. They complied. They made the cuts. They trimmed the scenes. A revised version was submitted on December 24th. After checking the changes, the regional office gave an informal green light. They indicated a UA certificate was coming. The team thought, great, we are safe. Marketing ramped up, the release date was locked. And then, silence. Days passed. No certificate appeared. Suddenly, on January 5th, just days before the release, an email lands. The film wasn't getting a certificate. It was being pushed to a revising committee under Rule 24. Now, this wasn't a random delay. It was triggered by a specific complaint. The allegation? That the film hurt religious sentiments and showed the armed forces in a bad light. Here is why this became a legal nightmare. The makers had already listened. They had already made the cuts, and they had been verbally promised a UA rating. So when the process suddenly reset to 0, that became the core legal argument. They went to court. At first, a single bench said, give them the certificate. But then, a division bench of the Madras High Court hit the pause button on that order. The next big hearing is around January 21st. Until that gavel bangs, the film is legally frozen. I see this comment a lot. Why not just take an A certificate and release it uncensored? On paper, easy. In reality, it's a trap. This isn't a small indie movie. It's a massive film with a massive budget designed for families and wide reach. Plus, for the lead actor, this film carries heavy political weight. Accepting an A rating or hacking the film to pieces would kill the movie's message and its revenue. That is why they are choosing the hard road, fighting in court rather than surrendering in the editing room. So let's be clear, this delay isn't about incompetence. It's not a marketing stunt. It is about a system where compliance doesn't always guarantee approval. Whether you support the film or hate it, this sets a scary precedent for the entire industry. Jananayagan isn't stuck because it broke the rules. It's stuck because the rules changed mid-game. I want to hear from you. Do you think a delay like this is a necessary safeguard, or is it an unfair roadblock? Let me know in the comments.